Yes Bank presents Sunday Debate with Arnab Goswami, powered by Ola and Just Dial.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome once again to the Sunday Debate. First, viewers, I want to thank you for the phenomenal response that we had to the debate last weekend. You tweeted back to us, you wrote to us, you mailed us, you gave us your different perspectives on the subject of the debate, and it was such a warm reception you gave us to the debate that we have now decided to make this a regular feature of your Sunday television viewing. So first of all, big thank you to you. On the Sunday Debate, the format is very simple. We will pick up a subject that may not be the day's subject of news, but which will be the most topical issue of the last 1 week. We will debate it in detail. We will get the protagonists not on different satellite cameras, but face to face. We will provide them equal opportunity. Then we'll have live polling during the debate. The percentages will be showing on the screen as the debate is broadcast. And we will also use Republic World as another way to put out the results of the debate. So it will all be very transparent. Nobody's bugging anything. Nobody's fixing anything. This is a transparent, open, and democratic debate. Today's subject is Kashmir. And let me welcome, first of all, today's debaters with me on the Sunday Debate. And it's a great pleasure to see them face to face, because I quarrel with them every night, more than quarrel sometimes. And they are sitting in Srinagar. But today, on the subject of Kashmir, I have with me three very outspoken panelists. To my extreme left, I have Inamun Nabi. He's spokesperson of the Awami Ittihad Party. And to his right is Syed Babar Qadri, advocate and president of the Lawyers Club of Kashmir. On many previous debates, I have accused him of not being deserving of being a lawyer because he doesn't believe in the Indian Constitution. He can counter me back, and I will counter him as well in the course of the Sunday Debate. And to my left, immediate left, is Majid Haidari, senior journalist, and our views are completely contrary. I also want to tell you, viewers, that I always begin with a disclosure. I am against this side to my left. And if people believe that is a lack of objectivity, I would only argue and say it is better to disclose your lack of objectivity than to camouflage it and pretend to be neutral. On my extreme right, Lalit Ambardar, well-known Kashmiri activist. He's taken them on many times in the past. Let's see who wins today. To his left is Dr. Sambit Patra, national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. If there's one person who's taken all Kashmiri panelists week after week and day after day, it's Sambit Patra. He does it with a practiced ease. And General G.D. Bakshi, our very esteemed contributor on defense and strategic affairs, one of the most visible faces in the country on issues regarding Kashmir, Pakistan, and internal security. Gentlemen, are we ready to debate? The rules of the debate are fairly simple. I will first begin by giving my perspective broadly in 30 seconds on the subject, so we know what we are debating. And then I will invite each side to choose one introductory speaker, who will be given 90 seconds to make the introductory remarks. From both sides, you have an opportunity to counter. Then we go into open debate, and then we go into a closing round where you will once again appeal to the audience, looking straight at the camera, why they should be voting on your side tonight. And remember, this is being watched across the entire world through Hotstar and through our various cable networks across the length and breadth of the country and across the world. Ladies and gentlemen, what a fortnight it's been for Kashmir. Since the 27th of July, when we at Republic TV started exposing a series of documents which prove just one fact, that the Hurriyat is no political ideologues group, but the Hurriyat is really more than just a front for the terrorist groups. They are manipulators. They are people who make money. They are people who have sold their souls. They are people who stash cash and distribute cash. They are the ATMs for the terrorists. And Gilani himself is the chief of the Unite Jihad Council, or whatever you call it. We exposed this series of documents, and then on Wednesday, I'm recapping the series of events, we took it one step further to show how the so-called Azadi Circle actually does nothing but fill their personal coffers. We're giving away details of the amount of money they've made, each one of these people. But the biggest story in this last 1 week has been the killing of a man called Abu Dujana. This despicable Pakistani who snuck into Indian soil 7 years ago and met his rightful end at the ammunition of the Indian Armed Forces. So here on this Super Sunday debate, I will phrase it very clearly. The subject of debate is this. As far as Kashmir is concerned, Azadi is a lie, and it's all about money. Those who are against are on the left, and those who are on the for are on the right of the debate. I'd like to invite any one speaker from the left-hand side of this debate to start with your perspective on the subject. Azadi about Kashmir is a lie. It's all about money. Please, any one of you who's going to open the debate, please listen carefully. You'll get your chances to counter. The debate is now open. Please go ahead.
See, Arnab, let's presume what you are saying is true. Let's presume Hurriyat leaders are being truly arrested for what you are alleging. Let's presume militants are being killed. Let's presume everything what you say is correct. But this even happened in 90s. In 90s, there were 7,000 militants. All of them were either killed, arrested, or they surrendered. But again, the militancy has bounced back in a more deadly manner. Second point, even if, let's presume you arrest all the Hurriyat leaders, what will happen? The people still have the sentiment. You can never arrest a sentiment. Sentiment is for resolution to Kashmir. Had it not been so, this issue would not have come up. Since 1947, it has not been even one Eid when Kashmiris have celebrated Eid with India. They go by the crescent, which is decided by Pakistan. That is the kind of sentiment we have in Kashmir. So the sentiment is not arrested, sentiment is not killed, sentiment is not surrendering, and sentiment is not arrested. You cannot control the sentiment which is for solution to Kashmir, and for solution we need a sustainable peace in the world.
Well, a 9-year-old Sajada Hauser was killed in Pakistani shelling a few weeks ago. What about the sentiment for her? I have many counter questions. As of now, I am not. I said I will stay away from an open debate with
where the shoe pinches. We are the wearers. We know where the shoe pinches.
Your introductory remarks. Who's opening from this side? Lalit, who's opening from this side? This side. General Bakshi wants to go on. Okay, General Bakshi. And gentlemen, don't pull your punches. I don't believe in being over polite for any cosmetic or ornamental reasons. General Bakshi.
At the very outset, I would like to define the stakes. What is at stake in the issue of Jammu and Kashmir? Let me put it across this way. At the time of partition, the forefathers of 150 million loyal, patriotic Indian Muslims voted with their feet to stay back in a secular India and not migrate to a theocratic Pakistan. Today, the number of Muslim citizens in India outnumbers the Muslims in Pakistan. Right? That is fact one. The fact of the matter is, how can you let 5 million Muslims of the valley secede on the basis of religion? Tell me, what right would we have to the loyalty of 145 loyal, patriotic Muslim citizens like Abdul Hamid, Paramveer Chakra, posthumous, like Brigadier Usman, Mahavir Chakra, posthumous? What right would we have left to their loyalty? What is at issue? What is at stake?
He has 10 more seconds.
What is at stake?
10 more seconds to close. I'll allow a counter.
Is a vital facet of our democracy, without which, if we start unraveling that, we would cease to exist.
Yeah. Okay. Allowing a first counter on this side. Any speakers? One counter each, and then I'm opening the debate. Any counter? You have a counter.
You cannot equate Kashmiri Muslims with Muslims of the rest of India. We belong to the princely state which acceded with India on only 3 points. It was not a complete merger. Let me remind you, our MP and the last prince, Dr. Karan Singh, in his last speech in August last year said that Kashmir's accession to India has only been on 3 points. It's not a complete integration with India. It is a kind of an arrangement which was made that time.
You are moving away from the subject. The subject is Azadi is a lie and it's about money.
No, it's
I'm
only
not
about
going
Azadi.
into some philosophical premise. See, Majid Haidari, in the course of this debate, we are not talking philosophy. I hope we talk Turkey
everybody
tonight.
chants, hum kya chahte azadi. How can you ignore the public sentiment there?
Because of money. There's no other reason. Pakistanis kill Kashmiris for a price, and we have exposed
then
the
every
entire
Kashmiri
money
would
trade.
have been a billionaire had there been money. People are
the first counter on the right. First
Kashmir.
counter on the right to anyone on this panel.
See, I'm a young politician. I don't pull my punches. I'm very direct. And let me tell you at the outset itself, let me set the stage by saying that Kashmir is an integral part of India. Let's not go back to the history and try to pull out some facts saying that, well, these are facts which are not facts at all, saying that Kashmir was never part of it. It is a part of India, integral part of India. Get that right, number one. Secondly, the discourse vis-a-vis Kashmir is changing with the Modi government. The discourse previously was we would engage with the Hurriyat. Well, if you would have...
You're supposed to be countering...
No. Ignore the historic facts.
Mr. Haidari, I did not interject. The issue is I don't counter on facts which are not facts, which are falsities. I firmly believe the resolution...
You're refusing to engage somebody.
Yes, I refuse to those. I refuse to go back to all those issues which are not facts. The
Parliament
of this great republic...
On the Sunday debate...
The Parliament of this great republic has said that Kashmir is an integral part of India.
On the Sunday debate, you have to counter. You have to counter it. You don't want to counter him. That means you are breaking the rules of the debate.
No.
You have to counter him.
There is only one... Mr. Goswami...
Dr. Karan Singh, let me repeat his words. He said India at some point of time has to bite this bullet that Kashmir issue needs to be resolved. Why is there a Kashmir issue then?
First of all, are you countering? Are you countering or are we into free debate? Are we into free debate?
Only one thing has to be countered, that is terrorism. Only one thing has to be countered, that is separatism. Only one thing has to be countered, that is inhumanity that we see in Kashmir in the name of Azadi.
We are fighting for the right which Prime Minister of India has promised them.
We are breaking the rules of this debate by speaking over each other. Let's have a sensible debate. This is my request.
They have failed to resolve the issue
Nabi, let's have a sensible debate.
You cannot run away by calling this
one side yields when the other side speaks on the debate. The rules are clear. To the protagonists on the left-hand side, since you're going over each other, let me centralize the debate.
But he has not been able to counter me. The right side has not been able to counter me.
The rules are... No, let me tell you. The rules are clear. No, Mr. Goswami...
He's countering.
I'm counter us. Please, Navi, let's not speak over
I have not
Sir, I have got your question. Let me counter you.
You are going to lose the faith of the audience if you don't counter. For the second time, I'm telling you in the debate, use your opportunity to counter or say I'm passing on. Are you passing
from
on?
Number one. Are you passing on? Number one.
Are you passing the point? Let him. Second opportunity.
Accession and plebiscite was your question. Let me tell you, the plebiscite call was conditional and sequential. Who did not meet the conditions and who did not meet the sequence? Just a second. We should not. This is not the way. This is not the way.
Let him complete.
And let me tell you,
you'll get your turn.
Sequential, and Pakistan lost the conditions and the sequences. So for God's sake, don't speak about plebiscite. Secondly, the central rule of this debate is Kashmir is an integral part of India. There is no second rule. No, it is not disputed. No, it is not disputed. The Republic of India has passed a resolution in the Parliament of India stating that Jammu and Kashmir is an integral part of India. There is no dispute. If there is any dispute, it is with POK, and we have to get back that POK. That is it. Remember, that is the central rule of this debate. No one changes the central rule.
Once again, viewers, listen to me, Lalit. Once again, viewers, I am holding both sides responsible for wasting the first few minutes of the debate. Here was a golden opportunity to debate one subject that India wants to debate in 1 minute, Lalit. And what was the subject?
Yes.
I said, Azadi is a lie, it's all about money. And since Inamun Nabi was making a point, I want to ask you, I want to ask you, Inamun Nabi, I'm asking Inamun Nabi a straight question, then we're going back to the free debate. I'll come to you, Syed Babar. You can also answer if you want. Inamun Nabi, on the 27th of July in a debate, you told me that your movement is for the right of self-determination.
Yes.
What right of self-determination are you talking about exactly? The movement that has led to your leader, Engineer Rashid, acquiring illegal property.
Where?
In Jawahar Nagar.
No,
in
not
Bemina,
not
in Jammu, and even as per the NIA documents, as per the NIA documents, as per the NIA documents, in United Kingdom and in Pakistan,
because he is protesting, because he is protesting against
does he have property? I'm verifying or insinuating. I'm verifying or insinuating. Answer my question. Does he have, according to the information, 1 minute, just wait a minute. According to the NIA dossier of which I have access, he has houses in Jammu and Bemina. He has acquired property.
He has purchased it before becoming MLA.
Acquired property in...
Sir, you check the revenue records.
Acquired property...
You check the records. He has purchased the Jammu land before becoming...
Listen to me. Acquired property in Jawahar Nagar, Langet area. He has real estate interests in the United Kingdom and in Pakistan.
Not at all.
And he's the real estate partner with Zahur Watali. Now you're
not at all.
Is this the Azadi movement that you're speaking
Don't try to
about?
defame him. We are fighting for the Azadi.
We
are fighting for the Azadi. We are fighting for the Azadi. You cannot run away by giving these excuses. You cannot run away. You have to address the real issue, which is you have to find out the solution of Kashmir.
My question remained there.
My further question
is a question of 7 million Muslims, 7 million people of Jammu and Kashmir. It is a question of their sentiments. We have been fighting from 1931. You cannot run away by giving these excuses.
What utter tripe. The fact is, this right for self-determination and, the lawyer to your right, Syed Babar Qadri, would like to come into the debate because he's also conceded defeat right on top of the debate. This movement has led to the killing of DSP Ayub Pandit by those shouting, Jeeve Jeeve Pakistan. This is a fake Azadi movement. The people who lynched him shouted, Jeeve Jeeve Pakistan. Is that the, I'm asking him, can he speak for himself? Can he speak for himself?
Have you arrested them?
What a frenzied mob. What a frenzied mob.
20 people have been arrested, don't you know
that? Have you arrested the murderers of Shabir Ahmed Longo in uniform?
Sir, army has...
You tell me.
उनको बोलने दीजिए ना, उनको बोलने दे, उनको बोलने दे, आपको इनको बोलने दे,
Mr. Goswami, let me expose. You cannot shout like this. You cannot shout like this.
आपको जवाब तो देने दे बाबा.
क्या आपने शबीर लोंगो के मर्डरर्स को पकड़ा? क्या आर्मी कमांडर ने उस इंसिडेंट की माफी नहीं मांगी? क्या उनकी माफी कन्फेशन नहीं था कि उन्होंने उसको मारा है? Have you arrested them? Yes or no?
What happened by arrest? You have said 3 Muslim murderers.
Don't. Inamun Nabi, only my request is that when
have you arrested them? Yes or no?
When I mention
have you arrested them? Yes or no?
When I mention a
have you arrested them? Yes or no?
When you
arrested? You tell me just yes or no. Have you arrested them? Yes or no?
Who?
जिन्होंने शबीर लोंगो को लिंच किया. For which
अरे भैया आपके चचा जान को अरेस्ट करके ले गए, वो आपको भी ले जाएंगे, चिंता मत करिए. अरे आपके चाचा को ले गए हैं ना, अभी एनआईए ने आके
आपके पास रिपोर्ट है कि शबीर के मर्डर्स को पकड़ा गया कि नहीं?
Okay, 2 people at a time. I request you.
मुझे yes or no बता दीजिए.
Everybody is
We don't expect any good thing and sensible from government of India. You have been running away from the real issue.
Let the other panelists.
These are the tactics. Sometimes Ayub Pandit, sometimes NIA raid. You are chief minister has played. Your chief minister has downplayed these raids.
I would request you, let everybody make their point, and the gentleman has a right to make his point. You can make your point.
Let me thank Arnav for inviting me here to Delhi. Secondly, I tell you that I am not here to win anything. I am just to plead my cause and case of Kashmiri people. Third, let me tell you honestly, you will not be knowing this. You are knowing everything of many people, but you don't know that my father-in-law was also killed by unknown gunmen. And till date, government has not come clean on that. He was the first, I think, scholar from JNU, Dr. Ghulam Qadir Wani. Now, let me tell you, by accusing Kashmiris that they have killed someone, it is not going to help. I tell you that we are living this time in a world where even dogs have rights, animals have rights. Why don't humans? One, I feel let me come. If you have problem, then I will stop.
I'll make a 10-second intervention and allow you to complete.
Okay.
Rights of every Indian are enshrined in the Indian Constitution,
and
for your kind information,
you're not Indian. Please let me. Did you get a visa to come to Delhi? You're not Indian. Mr. Goswami, this needs to be clarified. He's on national television.
When you will open embassy there, definitely I will approach your embassy.
He needs to be taken to court.
When you will open embassy there, I will definitely apply for visa there.
We'll let you go to Pakistan rather than...
No, we are not. You have to move out from the
Let me finish it legally. Let me finish it legally.
You have to move out from
Let me finish
Why
it.
we will go to Pakistan?
You are heckling him.
Let me finish legally.
Okay, go ahead.
My legal position is that Kashmiri is not only the citizen of Jammu and Kashmir, he may be citizen of India and Pakistan as well, because Azad Kashmir is also there. They also claim to be citizens of Pakistan at the same time. I say I am not citizen of not only Jammu and Kashmir, but I am the citizen of the world also, as per United Nations Charter.
Okay.
Now, let me come to the citizenship. Go through your own Article 1st of Indian Constitution. That does not talk of this Jammu and Kashmir. Go through IPC, Section 18. That will not talk of Jammu and Kashmir. I say legally, in a technical way, that Kashmiris are not part of the way Bihar and UP is part of India. Kashmir is not. Now comes 1947 Independence Act.
We have delved into history. Can I ask you a simple question?
I talk legal.
Mr. Kadri.
I talk legal.
No, Mr. Kadri.
1947,
Mr. Kadri, I just want to ask you a simple question.
1947.
It's okay. 1947. Sir.
10 seconds.
Sir, you talked about fundamental rights. Just one question, and then you can please continue with your legal points. I have no problem. Okay. The question is, you talked about rights. You said that even dogs and cats have rights, and Kashmiris don't have rights. Sir, are you advocating rights for terrorists? Are you advocating rights for the likes of Burhan Wani? Are you advocating rights for the gun-trotting young men? Are you talking of rights for Abu Dujana? So I'm talking to Kadri. I'm talking to Mr. Kadri. He's a lawyer. Let me talk to the lawyer.
Let him complete.
Anywhere in this, sir, your friend is an articulate person. I am talking to an articulate Mr. Kadri. Let Mr. Kadri answer.
I will stop. I will say.
Complete your point.
First and foremost,
1 second.
Jammu and Kashmir people have the most right in this country. Rights equivalent to Arnab Goswami, me or Mr. Lalit, because you got a package of 80,000 crore rupees only recently. When you were drowning in the flood, who offered you the hand? It was the army. The army offered you the hand. Mr. Nabi, आप बह रहे थे पानी में, किसने बचाया? इस आर्मी ने बचाया. इस आर्मी ने आपको बचाया वहां जाके. 3 लोग सरकार है, आप राइट की बात करें.
हमने उनको निकाला है.
आपने निकाला है. आपने निकाला. आप तो खुद बह जा रहे थे. आपने निकाला.
आर्मी कैंप से पूछे.
This army, Mr. Let him complete his argument.
Syed Babar is completed his
argument. The army protects you. The army lives for you.
10 seconds only. In 1947, you got freedom. India and Pakistan, they got freedom as per Independence Act 1947. And if I read Article Section 7 Clause B, 1 subsection B, that speaks categorically that all those treaties executed by British Empire with any prince or anyone, they are null and void. Reading that section with Section 30, Act 35, Indian Act 35, I say Maharaja was not in a position, legally. It's a legal matter. Yes. You can counter me.
No, you will all allow me to remind you here at this point of time that, gentlemen, remember the subject of the debate. Subject of the debate is not the history of Kashmir.
Yes, I told you
the subject of the debate, allow me, is that Azadi is a lie. It's all about money, which means what I'm saying very clearly is all those people you see on the streets, all those stone pelters, all those people who have made money, all the people who have made bungalows, all the people who so-called protest.
I'll tell you. Please,
they are simply paid agents.
I'll reply you.
I want to ask you today, who are you with?
I am with Sajjad Gilkar, who was 200 times raided and forced to take up arms.
Oh, great.
I'm forced to take up arms?
Yeah, you can
justify taking up arms.
He was slapped with 5 PSAs. He was slapped with 5 PSAs.
Mr. Kadri, young man, listen to me, I don't want to fight. But you are, sir, you are...
It is JNK police. It is the armed forces who are accompanying you.
Sir, 10 seconds. second. You are a lawyer. You are a lawyer. You are justifying taking up of arms.
No, I'm not justifying killing people. I am against that. I am against that. But who is forcing them?
Is this your ideology?
Who is forcing them? Who is
At this part of the debate, I invite Lalit Ambardar into the debate, and I have a question. This House must choose. Who are you with? Are you with Abu Dujana? Or are you with the Kashmiri forces which came together to avenge the killing of your Kashmiri brothers? Are you for Kashmir or are you for Pakistan? One second. Who are you with?
Needs a solution.
The second question, Lalit has not spoken. Think about it. If you are for Kashmiris,
yes,
like you said,
and we are for the Kashmir cause.
Like you are for Kashmiris, then are you with the Lashkar killers of Lieutenant Homer Fayaz?
No, we don't know who has killed him.
When he was,
we condemn that.
We condemn that.
We are not like you that we will kill
I can not be with that army that has visiting murders of Muslims
for a wedding.
I can either not be with those people.
Why all three of you shouting at me? Are you with those people
Arnab, I am
who protected,
either not with
avenged?
the murderers who were set free by Muslim Tribunal Court. I am either not with the army which used a human shield. Farooq Ahmad, I am either not with that army. I am either not with that army which committed rapes and
remember, people are watching this,
and the question,
I am asking you a simple question. I want it to prick your conscience. And the question I am asking you is simply this. The question I am asking you is only this: that are you with the people who killed Umar Fayaz? Are you with Abu Dujana?
And with fight for solution to Kashmir issue.
So are you with the killers of? Are you with the killers?
Whatever logical and decent parliamentary.
Not answering my question.
Don't you want Kashmiris with
I am with people.
Are you with Kashmir or are you with Pakistan?
With you?
Are you with Kashmir or Pakistan?
Kashmiris have had emotional attachment with Pakistan. I have always clarified that.
Have self-determination. Why don't you have self-determination?
I want to answer your question.
I want to clarify one thing.
Don't speak.
Is our brother?
Dr. Patra,
don't speak over each other to my Kashmiri friends.
He is a lawyer to represent.
To my Kashmiri friends today, don't speak over each other.
Dr. Patra, I just want to
Majid,
let me clarify. He has been speaking one thing again and again.
Lalit Ambardar has not spoken.
Sir, you have often been saying आपको आर्मी ने बचाया.
Let me first of all make it clear. I am not speaking here just as a Kashmiri. I am speaking as a proud Indian.
सुनिए इनकी बात.
I am speaking here as a proud Indian.
What do you mean by
no Kashmiri Hindu worth his or her salt will ever compromise neither on Dharma nor on Indianness. We suffered genocide, preferred exile, then to compromise. We were given a chance.
You have done genocide.
Can I complete? I did not interrupt.
Then what do you will
I did not interrupt.
Muslims.
I said I did not interrupt.
What you will call to one
I did not interrupt. We were given 3 choices.
What you will call to one
Relive, Galiyat Salev. That means either you merge with us or you perish or you run away. We got persecuted.
You enjoyed.
We got killed.
You enjoyed.
And we preferred exile in our own beloved India. Now coming back to your point, I won't let it go.
He's saying you enjoyed. Just
you are enjoying.
I don't want to talk to perversion. You are talking perversion. That is what Islamism has reduced Kashmiri society to. It's a brutalized, perverse society today. I want to answer to you. He has made a point. I think that's a propaganda. That will be countered.
You are enjoying jobs.
Enough of India.
You are enjoying
Exception of listen, this is not your Tawamajah. You're talking on national television. Talk sense. Let me counter him on first. Let me counter the propaganda. Majid, you said exception about exception. Exception happened on 26th of October 1947. Right? Let me please complete. Exception happened on 26th of October 1947. And that exception, instrument of exception was signed by 550 princely states of India. Nowhere Abdullahs were there, nowhere plebiscite was there. It was every princess signed that agreement. So therefore your point that we exceeded with a condition, nowhere. Article 370 came when? It came in 1950.
Oh, yes.
35 came in 1954. Therefore, then second point. Kashmiris, I want the nation to know, when you talk about Kashmir, you're talking of Jammu, Dogras of Jammu, Muslims of Jammu, Hindus of Jammu, Sikhs of Jammu, Christians of Jammu. You're also talking of Ladakh. Shia Muslims of Ladakh, Sunni Muslims of Ladakh, and Buddhists of Ladakh. You're talking of Kashmiri Hindus. You're talking of Shias of Kashmir. You're also talking of Bakarwals and Gujars of Kashmir. Who is fighting this Azadi war? It is only Wahhabi Sunni Muslims of Kashmir. And what is it about? It's money, it's ideology, it's men and material. You're getting men and material across the border. Ideology, you're spewing venom in every Friday congregation.
Have you gentlemen, at this point of time, have you no conscience? Because if you had a conscience, then you would say, I'll answer you or not. When you ask a question, who are you with? And listen to my question and think today. Don't take a position for the sake of it. You may disagree with me in part, but if you agree with me in a sense, agree with me on the Sunday debate. And Syed Babar Qadri, because you haven't had enough turn, I'm coming specifically to you. Who are you with? Are you with the Pakistani Lashkar killers of 32-year-old Firoz Ahmad Dar? He was from Dogripura village, I think it is in the Pulwama district. And along with 5 other Jammu and Kashmir policemen, all Kashmiris. You know how they were killed? They were killed and their faces were mutilated. That is what Pakistanis do to Kashmiris. They take a Kashmiri, they kill him, they mutilate the faces and the bodies of your. No, allow me to. No heckling. Allow me to complete. My question is, or are you with the forces that avenged that killing? And you know how that killing was avenged? That killing was arranged. Don't complete my sentences. That killing was avenged with the killing of Abu Dujana this week. So when Abu Dujana is being killed, we are avenging the killing and mutilation of your Kashmiri brothers. I want to ask you, Syed Babar Qadri, now that I have given you concrete proof of the large amount of monies that have been made by certain Kashmiri opportunists, who are you with? How much longer will you, just because your particular interests are being served, how much longer will you sit there and say, let my brothers get killed? The money is coming from Pakistan.
See,
money for us is more important than even a sense of brotherhood with a fellow Kashmiri. Does it not prick your conscience when you do that?
My conscience.
Does it prick your conscience?
Yes, it pricks my conscience when I see Kashmiris killed. Whether he's in police or he's with arms.
Was Firoz Ahmad Dar a Kashmiri?
How do you justify?
I justify it. I justify.
Allow him to complete.
Please.
Allow him to complete. General Bakshi will respond to him.
I have my all the sympathies with the Kashmiri brothers who are being killed from this side or that side.
Sympathies, all you give
because I curse conflict.
Don't
that has been perpetuated by this situation.
Don't give me.
Nehru! Yes!
1 minute. No. Yes, Nehru! 1 minute. Understand. Don't be frustrated about it. Answer the question. Which side are you on? When a 32-year-old Kashmiri is mutilated, does it hurt your heart? Does it prick your conscience? No, it doesn't. You're happy about it because you're sold out. You're sold out to the Pakistanis. I'm telling you, what self-determination? How many more Kashmiris? How many more Kashmiris will you put at risk because your terror business plan?
Yes,
your terror business plan is
from Gilgit-Baltistan Abdullah Khanpur. I say it is a unit. I say Kashmir is a unit from Gilgit-Baltistan Abdullah Khanpur, and it is right of Kashmiris to choose its destiny whether it is India or Pakistan or independent.
Salahuddin comes out open without Pakistani guards in occupied Kashmir. He will be lynched by local Kashmiri Muslims. They are fed up with them.
Let them rebel.
He's a hero. You are being exploited by the Troika of Gilani, Yasin Malik, and this moonlighting Modi These guys are making a mullah. See the lifestyle. Who's lying out there? You don't know shame. A child of a local downtown poor man. He's being illegal in the name of Islam. And
after he finishes,
you have lost. Why don't you feel sorry about it?
That's what I'm saying.
That is the tragedy. That's the tragedy of Islam.
We are losing. We are enjoying.
My wife has not seen her father. My wife has not seen her father. She is living alone with her mother.
Who killed him?
This man.
And you enjoy.
Who killed him?
You enjoy the first-hand privilege.
That is the climate that we have created.
Do you know Lashkar-e-Taiba was founded by Osama bin Laden? Do you know Kashmiri Muslims?
I'll tell you who killed him.
Do you know who
I'll tell you. I'll tell you.
Who founded Lashkar-e-Taiba? Do you know it? It was Osama bin Laden in Afghanistan long before Taliban came into existence. You are
Don't go in these arguments. Don't go in these arguments.
Only Bhadri.
I have suffered. That's what I'm saying. I have suffered. That's why I am talking on behalf of the suffering people.
Women of Kashmir.
I'm talking on behalf of the Pandits of Kashmir who have left the place. I am talking on your behalf also.
What?
The conflict should end.
There should be end to conflict. I have no expectation from you. You people shut your doors on us.
Don't expect anything.
And we are not returning to the neighborhood. Let me written on your face. We are not returning back to your neighborhood. We can't. Not at all. You close your doors and windows of Kashmiri Hindus. You could not protect us. We don't trust you. We don't return to Bimichu. It will be Article 370 less, Article 353, 35 less. Farooq Kashmir will return to, not to your Islamized Kashmir. Not
you left to defame our movement and you failed. You want to give the you want to give the color of
Muslims of Kashmir. You are fighting the Muslims of Kashmir. You are Jinnah students.
You will be again failed.
Two nation guardian Dhaka. Pakistan is on the way.
I'll tell you what all happens in the name of
using you as cannon fodder to keep two nations alive in Kashmir. Is their existential problem. You don't know your brain.
I'd like to get General Bakshi in, but if you listen to me, please, without unnecessarily getting provoked. See, I'm not raising my voice. Understand, Majid Haidari, Inamun Nabi and Babar Qadri. They say Azadi this, Azadi that, Azadi here, Azadi now, Kal ki Azadi, Aaj ki Azadi, Buranwali Azadi, God knows what Azadi. Now let me tell you what all is going on in the name of this Azadi. By the way, the good news, the good news is you
better know who created Burhan.
Pakistan.
No.
Why?
Jammu Kashmir Police.
I'll tell you.
It was Jammu Kashmir Police. Who
tortured his brothers? Which group is he from?
Okay.
Which group was he from?
That is a story.
Was there an NGO? Is the Hizbul Mujahideen an NGO? Don't talk about it.
You started it. You started it.
You are being used as cannon fodder. Have some realization.
General Bakshi.
Who uses us?
You, in the name of Islam, you are doing it.
Okay, Lalit, calm down. Lalit, calm down.
Being used as a dalal of saffron forces.
Yes,
you are a dalal of saffron forces. You want to divide Kashmir. You want to divide Kashmir. You are on Dalali. You want to divide Kashmir. You are on homeland.
Has some shame on you. Has some shame on you. You think you are in your neighborhood? You close your door on my face when your neighbor Kashmiri Hindu woman was being raped. You want to return to your neighborhood? Shame on you.
Kashmir.
Never have been. We represented Kashmir.
We have Kashmir. We represented. My best friend is Kumarji Vachu.
Listen.
My best friend
Dimichu will return back to Kashmir. We are not giving up.
best friend is Kumarji Vachu.
As true Indians, with tricolor on our chest.
There are.
I'm going to return. No, Article 370.
You have to say Azadi. You have to say Rashkumari.
I assure you that.
You have to say Rashkumari. If you want to come, most welcome. Come with the Rashkumari slogan.
Tomorrow,
Lalit, stop. I want to.
You don't speak.
Leave Kashmir. For God's sake, leave Kashmir. Leave Kashmir. For God's sake, leave Kashmir.
You guys are going to take refuse.
Syed Babar Qadri, all this drama will not work. Okay, Lalit,
the thing of what is being said.
Can you all stop?
That it could
Can you all
not
stop?
protect the Yatris.
Can you stop?
Amarnath Yatris could
I
not
can't
be protected
understand.
because of slumber of his government. And you are a dalal of the same government.
Majid,
Is this a debate? That those Yatris were killed.
Stop.
Because of
It's
your
better to be
failure.
dalal of the Indian government than to be dalal of the Pakistani government.
Stop.
No,
I'm
you are
closing the
not
debate for 1
because
second.
Yatris.
Please listen. Listen to me for a minute, please. Okay. Now you have to understand. You want to shout over each other, you want to debate. If you want to debate, then allow me to conduct it. One person speaks at a time, you'll be better heard.
Arnab, they have failed on the
no, but Majid, you will not. You will take it through me now. Henceforth, in this debate, Lalit, I told you not to. Please, I request you. Please, I'm requesting you not to. Take it through me. Say, Arnab, raise your hand, I'll come to you. You have faith in me as an anchor. Let me do this. Now, I want to know, General Bakshi, what all going on in the name of Azadi. Now, there are double stories, shopping complexes that Mirwais owns. Okay? There are 3 stories bungalows, 3-storied many bungalows that this Gilani owns. Okay? Now, Rashid Engineer, I was told, his leader has property interests in United Kingdom, Pakistan, all over Jammu and Kashmir. My question is, where is this money that is coming from? In fact, I'll tell you one more thing. You'll be happy to learn. Allow me to learn. The NIA has established a link between the Hajj pilgrimage, the trade across the line of control, separatists and Pakistani terrorism. You cannot, whatever your bias, be oblivious to the fact.
Yeah.
Yes,
oblivious to the fact that there is a business operation that is being run in the name of Azadi. And this business operation requires a battalion of terrorists to keep the valley burning. And you need sold out people, 20
seconds only.
Cheats, liars,
I'll support you to
liabilities.
I'll support you to some extent.
Parasites on Indian soil.
10 seconds.
Right? Self-serving people like Gilani, who frankly are a burden on this country. They should have been sent to Pakistan a long time back. The question is, don't worry about it. My question is, in May, we exposed how a man called Imran Kabu, a stone pelter of the JUD WhatsApp group, he confessed to us on tape. He said, "Sab kuch paise ka business hai, hum paisa bhejte hain." The Lashkar says paisa bhejte hain. The Gilani makes money. Why would you want to deny to General Bakshi today that this is not about money?
I am a lawyer who represents.
Tell us about General Bakshi wants to make a point of the money business and then he'll come in. General Bakshi.
Look, I was born in Jammu.
Yeah.
I am a citizen of the state. I am a stakeholder. I have spent a lifetime facing bullets there. I have served in Kargil, Kishtwar, Rajouri, Punch. I have fought in all these districts. I'm sorry, I have seen a lot of death and dying. Shall I tell you a home truth? Let's put our hands on our heart and say, what is the home truth of Jammu and Kashmir? Let me tell it to you. In 1947, this was a haven of communal amity when the rest of India and Pakistan were on fire. This is the only state where Sufi saints are called Riosh. Nyunda Riosh, Rishi. That Nyunda Rishi, you know, that was the level of integration. So what happened? For 30 years, I'm very sorry, there was a campaign of radicalization, there was a campaign of Wahhabization. Let me finish.
Let him complete.
There was a campaign of Wahhabization, and the hatred that has been generated saw the exodus of 450,000 of your brethren, Kashmiri Pandits, same language, same Lal Ded. You see, the same poetesses you have been reciting. And today they are in the refugee camps of Jammu and Delhi. Many of them died of heat stroke because they were not used to the heat of the plains.
While Yasin Malik owns half of Lal Chowk.
You know, and the fact of the matter, who has gained?
While Yasin Malik owns half of Lal Chowk.
It is Sayyid Ali Shah Gilani
speak
who
up,
has
sir,
built palaces.
Yes, no, let him complete. No, let him complete. One of you will complete, respond to him after he finishes.
And I'll keep my peace. I will keep my peace thereafter. Look, who has gained? The people of the poor Kashmiris, the Shikarawala, the Poniwala, the one who owns the fruit shop, the paper mache shop. Every tourist season, a stone pelting calendar is issued. And who suffers? It is these poor people. Whose schools are closed? For the poor people of these children. Where are the children of Gilani? They are in Saudi Arabia. Where are the children of the rest of these Hurriyat?
What is that fraud lady, Duktarane Millat person? What is that lady? Complete fraud, sold out, terrorist. What's her name? What's her name?
Dukhtarane Millat.
Asia Andrabi, whose husband, whose son goes around getting photographed in 5-star Southeast Asian resorts.
I ask you.
What a shame! What a shame!
I will tell you.
I'll
tell you who has suffered. I'll tell you. General Sahab, I'll tell you who has suffered. I have a stone pelter whom I represented, namely Danish Farooq. aged 9 years.
9 years?
9 years.
Okay.
He was imprisoned, he was booked in different FIRs, at least 20 FIRs were against him. I suppose I am not accurate, it may be 15 or it may be 21, but around 20.
How many FIRs? Just a general knowledge question, just a small question. Can you tell the viewers how many FIRs does Assia Andarabi's son have?
That's what please listen to me.
Yeah, I also want to
then
ask.
What happened? Then what
I
happened?
also know a question.
I bailed him out in all the FIRs. But what happens? SHO brings him on all Fridays to his station, to his police station, then asks him to go for what we call information as an agent.
You're trying too hard.
Now, the whole community in his area was hell-bent to demolish his house because he was he was suspected as an informer of agent of this SHO. Then I filed a complaint, and it was taken seriously by Amnesty International. Also, there was a statement by Amnesty International. See, my point is, who suffers? It is a common Kashmiri. A Kashmiri.
You're not a common Kashmiri.
In a middle class.
You're not a common Kashmiri.
I am a common Kashmiri.
Mr. Goswami, I've been waiting for my turn very patiently. Mr. Goswami, I've been waiting very patiently for my turn. I just want 20 seconds. I've been waiting very patiently. I've been waiting very.
I want to tell something to them. Till 1989-90, till the advent of Kashmir Jihad, the crime rate in Kashmir was almost zero. Do you know all this? We suffered silent persecution.
I tell you who did it. I tell you who did it.
And we did not speak up till we were physically assaulted.
I will frankly say
the crime rate was zero. At the same Kashmir, while little children started playing with hand grenades, who did it? Who responsible for it? All in the name of Islam. हमको क्या चाहिए? आजादी का मतलब ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह. In this name, you mobilized illegal, innocent people of Kashmir and destroyed Kashmir. That's the death.
I'll tell you. If you listen to me, I'll tell you. You have lost the debate. I'll tell you one second reason why. You don't represent on the 7th of July.
Demolishing the structure of democracy in Kashmir by rigging elections.
Look at their lifestyle. You don't even realize what kind of Kashmir you are living in.
You
are telling the whole world it's a conflict zone. Nowhere in the world a conflict zone has real estate prices soaring because you people are getting money from across the border.
Why not Jammu Kashmir police? Why NIA? Why Jammu? Why not Jammu?
Does it look like a conflict zone?
Don't you trust Kashmir? Don't you trust Jammu and Kashmir police? Don't you trust?
They are doing a great job. They are. Abu is gone.
Why NIA then? Why NIA then?
NIA will do its own job. JNK police is not supposed to.
Okay. One minute. Just a point. I want to make a point here. That the real Kashmiris don't want this fake Azadi, and I'll tell you why. Don't shout. I have the capacity to shout more than you. I'm just exercising restraint. That's all. Because I have always believed you have strong points there. Don't shout. I'm standing right next to you. Real Kashmiris don't want this fake Azadi. You are all this landed elite, part of the Hurriyat Club. You've all made money. You all say one thing and do another. You benefit from the Indian Constitution, and then you go on television and you say, I am a reluctant Indian. I don't believe in the Indian Constitution. You go mute on TV debates. So the 7th of July, you came on my program. Allow me to complete. And you went mute when I said, do you believe in the Indian Constitution? If you don't believe in the Indian Constitution, do you believe in Abu Dujana? If you don't believe in the Indian Constitution, then do you believe the terrorists sent by Pakistan to destabilize Kashmir? If you don't believe in the Indian Constitution, do you believe in the killers of Ayub Pandit? And I'll repeat that again and again. Fact of the matter is, you know who the real Kashmiri is. You are not the real Kashmiri. You do not represent the real Kashmiri. You want to know who real Kashmiri is. When there are 5 jobs to be commissioned officers in the Territorial Army, 3,000 Kashmiri youth sit there and appear for an exam to be a commissioned officer in the Indian Territorial Army. 70,000. Last year there were 800. Allow me. Last year there were 800. Last year there were 800. All the money could not buy through. This year there were 3,000. Those young Kashmiris have rejected opportunists like you because they believe in the country. They believe in the Constitution. Who the hell are you to deny them the right to believe in the country that they belong to?
Right to
they want the Kashmir that belong to us. They don't believe. They don't play any game like you. Answer.
Azad Kashmir people with you also.
Why are they?
All Azad Kashmir with you.
I'm asking 1 second, Lalit, don't come into the debate. It's between me and him. It's between me and him now.
If you have courage, you are not able to control South Kashmir, you will capture Azad Kashmir.
1 minute. Gentlemen, it's between me and him now. Now tell me, real Kashmiris you want to know. 19,000 young Kashmiris are enrolled in the Indian Army. Are you with them or the stone pelters? Answer me today.
I am with the persons who are suffering
You
at the
have no
hands
answer
of your armed forces.
You don't represent the real Kashmir.
I am representing the crying Kashmiris who are crying for the justice. I am representing the crying Kashmiris who are crying for justice.
I've been waiting very patiently.
One last example. I have to pulverize this ridiculous
What is wrong in seeking the job?
I'll tell you
what is wrong in seeking the job. You allow our tourist places to flourish. You have occupied our tourist places. Allow our tourist places to flourish. We will not join. We will not join there. You have looted our resources. NHPC. You see NHPC.
Kashmir is 5,000 years old. You know that? We have a living history of 5,000 years old. 700 years brother, you are exposed occupation has brutalized Kashmir.
You don't have a right to be in a decent debate. Kashmiris are tolerant. We are religiously tolerant.
You are losing the debate.
We have not got on lynching. In India, you see, we are
30 years ago, you saw a minuscule population of Kashmiri Hindus ousted right in front of your eyes.
Don't teach us.
You are losing the debate.
Don't come up. What is happening in rest of India because of this two-nation
General Bakshi, I go back to my debate. My dear friends, listen to me on the debate. Listen to the voice of reason. Sometimes understand.
I am talking about what you present. You started your debate that is a question of Muslim Kashmir. So how can I say that? Kashmir is the cradle of Indian civilization, he thought. Don't forget that.
Pull back on the debate for a while, Lalit. Now calm down, Lalit. Calm down. 1 second.
My first point.
1 second.
You both have failed on my first point.
Majid Haidari, the debate is at a tipping point. Allow me a point.
Goswami, I am decently waiting for my turn.
Yes,
I think I don't want to shout. That does not mean I should not be allowed to speak.
But
till now, both of
I am the only one who is following the rules. I and General Bakshi are the only one.
Kashmir wants freedom.
Majid,
I'll tell you. I'll answer you, Mr. Goswami. Can I please speak for 20 seconds? I request you.
I want to say one.
No, he has asked me whether Kashmir wants freedom. No, I want to. You should
okay, both of you. Only Sambit and Majid.
I said it has been proven beyond doubt that Kashmir wants, and you accepted that Kashmir wants freedom and solution.
Let me tell you.
Don't speak over each other, but debate, but don't speak over each other.
Number one.
Engaging on both sides right now, Majid Haidari on this side and Sambit Patra on the other. Request, don't speak over each other. Don't speak over each other.
I get the point. He has asked me a question.
Otherwise, I'll call it a stop. Okay? Now, have patience. Speak.
Number one.
Don't speak over him.
Number one, you saying that Kashmiris want freedom, they want azadi. 72% of Kashmiris voted in the 2014 election. Had they want azadi, then they would have heard what the Hurriyat and the Gilanis had wanted them to hear, a boycott of the election. They did not heed to the separatists, meaning they wanted to be inclusive, not the separatists. Secondly, Arnab, let me be very candid over here. We can shout over each other, but the truth has to be spoken very silently, and the truth has to be spoken. Someone in this debate, probably Mr. Qadri, asked this question: do you know who created Burhan Wani?
Yeah.
Well, you may have an answer to that. Maybe Jammu Kashmir police, you were saying, whispering then. I ask a question. It is not just who created Burhan Wani. Who created Baghdadi? Who created Osama bin Laden?
Americans.
Sir. It is not
both of them.
It is not Americans who created Burhan Wani. It is not Russians who created Baghdadi. It is not Indians who created Burhan Wani. For God's sake, it is time that you have to accept that radicalization in Islam created these monsters. Please, sir, I'll complete and I would not interfere. Radicalization in Islam created these monsters. And the problem today is, we may debate. It is an issue of corruption and perversion. Corruption has been proved by Mr. Goswami right now as to how money is being stuck across by all these Hurriyat leaders. Perversion. Abu Dujana was a pervert. The Atankwadis, these terrorists, they want 72 hoods there. Abu Dujana was taking 72 hoots here. The whole story is about perversion. It is about, please sir, please sir. Please sir.
Inam is stopping you. One minute. You will debate with each other, but you will not heckle over each other.
Yes.
I'm allowing an intervention on the premise out here.
I'll just complete
you will then
I'll first reply.
A point has been raised. He says it's not acceptable. You will stop. I'll ask him 10 seconds. Why is it not? You'll respond.
Yes.
Don't speak over each other. It'll be better. Go on. Respond.
No, don't try to defame him.
No,
Defame Abu Dujana. Defame a terrorist.
Yes,
supporter of terrorist.
You have seen the reaction.
You have seen the reaction. Fayaz Butt.
And he was killed.
Fayaz Butt. I'm asking you. Inamun Nabi. Fayaz Butt was a Kashmiri.
For just saying had this been the case, they would have allowed his killing. They would have facilitated his killing.
Did you ever, I'm only talking to Inam now. Did you ever write an article, go to a place, have a silent march, or go to a TV program saying that the manner in which Sarpanch Fayaz Butt was brutally killed by Abu Dujana is not correct?
You have
did you ever speak?
People like
no. Did you ever speak? Did you say a word? Did you say a word?
Broad daylight.
Did you say a word? Did you say a word then? Did you say a word then? Did you contest? Why is speaking?
You have killed so many Fayazs. You have killed thousands of Fayazs.
The founders of the cycle of death and destruction. Condemn Gilani. Condemn Yasin Malik. Condemn Maulvi Mazrou. Do that. If you do that, half the problem is resolved.
Sambit, complete your point on this side. Sambit completes his point.
I want you to conclude
your
statement.
Yes, thank you, sir. Only day before yesterday, the NIA recovered the calendar of protest of Mr. Gilani, and we all saw through the national newspapers and the television channels. What was the content of this calendar of protest? The content was, you all have to give Islamic songs of Azadi from where? From masjids. Masjids have to call for Azadi. You don't want us to relate this with religion, with radicalization, but why masjids? Why masjids? Masjids because that is from where you radicalize people, that is from where you start the stone pelting. For God's sake, accept the truth. You don't want to call him a Kashmiri. You saw yourself right in the very beginning. The debate began by saying that the 5 million Muslims of Kashmir want independence. What about this Kashmiri?
We have a right to show you. We'll come back and register my
Why Muslims everywhere?
I will a flag of India. I'll be wearing in this on
concluding.
He be with me or not? Resurgent India.
Only concluding. 7%. Kashmir.
Remember it.
Sir, let him conclude his failure.
Kashmir is concluding his failure.
You are to their disadvantage.
I'll conclude.
Not at all. Not at all. We have suffered 30 years of ignominy in our own
People like you are people like you are becoming hurdle.
Sir, let him conclude his failure now. Sir, kindly carry on.
Failure?
Yes. You have been on a failure front since the beginning of
just 10 seconds. I would not speak hereafter in the debate.
Then I'll conclude with 30 only.
Yes. All of you, this side and that side, I represent the party which is in the government. So these are the words from the government, let me tell you. We had enough of debates. Do you want only debates in this country while our army people die every day? Do you want debate only every day while our Kashmiri people die there every day, innocent Kashmiris? No. बुरहान हो या दुजाना हम मारेंगे एक रोजाना. Yes.
See the language.
The terrorists. Yes.
This is objectionable.
The terrorists
हम भी ये कह सकते हैं
mगर the terrorists have to be neutralized. The terrorists will be eliminated. This is no time for debate anymore. The time for conclusion have come. We will solve the problem of Kashmir. Here is a prime minister who will solve the problem of Kashmir.
वो लकीर ही नहीं है.
बिल्कुल आतंकवाद के लिए जगह नहीं है.
Okay. I have a question to my Kashmiri friends. One minute. Sir, G.D. Bakshi, I have a question to my Kashmiri friends. At this stage of the debate, if I were to, I have a question for you. I have two questions. And please, again, no need to get hysterical when you respond to me. When you say we want Azadi, you mean Kashmir should be Azad.
No, people should decide what they want.
Listen, I don't discuss philosophical.
No, even Shah Rukh Khan says, "Aisi azadi aur kahan." Azadi is different. JNU speaks of different azadi. Shah Rukh Khan speaks of different. Kashmir speaks.
Let people decide what they want. If tomorrow they want India, if they tomorrow want India,
allow me to complete. Allow me to complete my line of questioning, gentlemen. I am arriving at a very critical point. Please allow me to complete. Allow me to complete my line of argument, please. Thank you, please. So I want to, please don't do it. Azadi means what? I mean, separate independent state? Separate independent state?
See, Azadi
no, I'm asking
sentiment
you.
Which has to be decided.
I understood the sentimental part of it.
Resolution.
Fine. No, whatever.
It has to be decided.
Whatever.
For a JNU student, Azadi means something different. For a Kashmiri, Azadi means something different. For Shah Rukh Khan, Azadi means something else.
I'm not discussing overage Bollywood actors. I'm in a very clear point out here. Please.
No, why you want to say a Muslim is an overage actor now? Now again, this is polarization. This is again polarization. When I'm against Muslims. This is again when I'm against Muslims.
He shows when I'm against Muslims. You cannot tolerate Muslims. You cannot tolerate Muslim actors.
Azadi ka matlab.
One can imagine the fate of someone Muslim in India.
Maybe for some people,
Muslim actors.
Azadi bara Islam.
You cannot tolerate Muslim actors.
Order on the debate, please. One minute.
Why did you bring a Muslim actor for Azadi example? By the way,
no, because you singled out him.
I am on a specific point.
You brought a Muslim actor for Azadi. Why?
I called Shah Rukh Khan booda ho gaya kyunki Musalman hai. I mean, this is democracy.
Let's be on a serious line of questioning out here. Let's be a serious line of questioning. I presume that when you speak about Azadi, you speak about a sovereign state of Kashmir. Am I correct?
No, it depends. It depends.
Okay, it depends. It can be with Pakistan. It can be with Pakistan.
It could be anything.
Oh.
It can be with India also.
It could even be with India. It could be merger of Azad Kashmir and Kashmir with India.
No. One second. Gentlemen, first of all, don't speak over each other. When I'm speaking, don't count.
Let people decide what they want.
Listen to me. You see, the fact, look at the confusion. And viewers, just note for a while this. Huh? I'm asking 3 Kashmiri very vocal people who come on my program regularly what they mean by Azadi, and just look at how confused they are.
I'm not confused. I tell end of occupation.
Those who have given 1 lakh people for the cause,
end of occupation.
Can you call them
Can I just... I don't want to interrupt you at this point.
Then we'll decide whether to be part of India.
No. I'm coming.
At the moment, Arnab, there has been a coercive extension of instrument of accession.
Right.
That coercion needs an end through solution which is
that is
acceptable to Kashmiris on all the 3 sides. Kashmir, Azad Kashmir and Gilgit side.
But that, one second.
Sir, that part is already with India. That part is already with the Indian administration as what
with you.
Lalit.
You tried in this last 5 years to spread your tentacles in Sadaf. Did you get any response?
Lalit.
Who you are? Who you are? In Jammu, if you are any of your Islamists come to Jammu, they will lynch in Jammu. Jammu people are proud Indians. Ladakhis are proud Indians. They want to get rid of these rigorous
Lalit, allow me to finish my line of questioning. Don't interrupt me, please. I request you. Because viewers want to see this line of questioning, I'll ask one question, give one answer. Simple question.
Yeah, sure.
So you don't know what Azadi is?
No, we know. End of occupation.
End of occupation, fine. Okay, so end of occupation by India?
End of occupation, military occupation of India, yes.
Okay, fine. That's all. Relax.
And let the Azad Kashmir and Pakistan decide that.
Right. Okay. And then tell me one thing. That fraud.
From my side, I decide about myself.
That fraud.
ऐसे बोल रहे चर्चिल के पिताजी हैं.
Just one minute. That fraud.
आपकी पार्टी तो गिलानी साहब को पिताजी
Majid,
जेल जाएंगे पिताजी.
Majid ने कहा गिलानी साहब पिताजी हैं तो आपके भी एजेंडा
Majid, my question to you is, can you please tell everyone watching this program today why that sold out fraud Gilani, who has already said that Azadi will be achieved when Pakistani flags fly over all of Kashmir?
I don't subscribe to his ideology.
See, we are not here to support Gilani.
I don't
They people are
subscribe to
already
his
under
ideology.
scanner
So you don't support Gilani?
Since
No, I don't
2010
support.
has been people's protest. Understand one thing, the narrative is that
So do
Kashmir
you
is now
support
on
Salahuddin?
people's
Do you
protest.
support Salahuddin?
Why should we support him?
Okay. Do you
We are
support
not
the Lashkar-e-Toiba?
Why should we support
Do you
him?
support the Tehreek?
We support the people of Kashmir who want solution to Kashmir, who have been
Maybe
coming
people
out
can
on
you-
streets,
maybe
who
people
have
can
been
you-
fighting for the last 7 years,
So in that case,
getting killed on streets,
Also, let's
seeking azadi.
proud Indian.
And we are also with those who have
therefore,
picked up arms.
that line of argument.
Therefore,
Why are you
Giri
imposing-
Bakhshi, therefore, Giri Bakhshi,
That's what I'm saying. You cannot
That's why,
have.
because
You
Islam is
cannot
the
have
creator of
pistol
your
on your
mind,
head.
mind
You
and
cannot
mentality.
have pistol on
The
your
day
head.
you
You cannot have pistol on your head.
you
As
become Indian. As long as you have Islamism on your head, you can never become Indian. What about India? You can't even become a true Pakistani. You can't become a forget about being a Kashmiri. Look at what's happening in
Gentlemen,
Pakistan. Look at what
gentlemen,
happened
when
in the
someone
name of
comes
Islam.
on your
They
soil,
destroyed
one
Pakistan.
minute, one minute. When someone comes on your soil, please hear me this, please hear me. When someone comes on your soil and he says that we will put Pakistani flags all over Kashmir and we will shout Jeeve Jeeve Pakistan, and when that person makes a lot of shopping malls and cinema halls, and then he has, allow me to complete, no, I must be, when he has a lot of property in the United Kingdom, when he has a lot of property in Pakistan,
Engineer Rashid may be a dalal. We are not here to
We are not defending Engineer Rashid.
and when the person,
he might be a dalal. We are not supporting
He may be part of it.
you see what is apparent to me, viewers, I'm talking to you.
You are an assembly.
Viewers, I'm
I have
talking to
nothing
you.
to do with this.
And I want to tell you something,
Let him
viewers.
prove.
I want to speak to you, viewers, right now. I'm talking to my viewers, don't speak over me. Viewers, what is apparent to me, a very interesting phenomenon in the course of this debate. 3 Kashmiris, to my left, between them are fighting about what their definition of azadi is, which means they are confused.
We are not confused.
They are utterly unclear. They have denounced
You are putting your own words in our mouth.
In Azadi we may have differences with each other.
He may be into some secret dalali, but on Azadi we are one.
with your
have some clarity of thought.
If Hurriyat we got some corrupt, hang them. If they are corrupt, hang them.
The real Kashmiri, the real,
hang them. But give me freedom.
the real Kashmiri, for God's sake,
Give me freedom.
you are not.
The future.
The real Kashmiri is Khurshid Ahmad. The real Kashmiri is the CRPF soldier who took 8 bullets in his chest and came out and said, I want to fight for my nation and my nation is India. Be with him, not the stone pelters. He's the real
Who
Kashmiri.
are you
not
to
your
dictate
Gilani.
and be judgmental on my opinion? Who are you? Why should you
You represent no one. I ask you, viewers in Kashmir, viewers in the Kashmir Valley, viewers in the Kashmir Valley.
Stop Pakistani.
Maybe he was a nationalist.
He saved Kashmir for India.
Maybe he was a
was a true
nationalist. I don't know.
Indian. He was crucified.
I don't know.
You better know your history.
I don't know
You
about
better know your
Giri
history.
Bakhshi, please. Giri Bakhshi, give him a time. Giri Bakhshi ko bolne de, bolne de.
I
Giri
said
Bakhshi ko
maybe he was a proud
bolne. Allow him to
nationalist.
speak. Giri
I don't
Bakhshi.
know.
Please, sir, allow him to speak. Allow him to
I
speak.
have
Allow him to
just
speak.
one request.
Allow him to speak, please.
I, as an old man who has been involved in this conflict, want to understand one thing.
बोलने दे, बोलने
And I
दे,
think a lot of us would like to be very
उसके बाद
clear.
reply कीजिए.
हमारे वादी में 2 किस्म के स्लोगन्स हमने सुने हैं. हम क्या चाहते हैं? आजादी. दूसरा स्लोगन है पाकिस्तान से रिश्ता क्या, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह. हम लोग किसके साथ हैं? आप बताइए.
I am for the Azadi.
Which of these
एक बंदा बोले.
I am for Azadi, and I am not going to impose my ideology on others. Let people decide about their own destiny.
अच्छा, मैं एक सवाल आपसे पूछूं. आपसे एक सवाल पूछूं मैं भाई साहब. सुनिए मेरी बात एक मिनट. आप कह रहे हैं कि हम किसी पर अपना थोपेंगे नहीं, हम जो सोचते हैं. तो आपको क्या पता है सैयद बाबर जी कि कश्मीर में जहां पे आपके फेलो कश्मीरीज के चेहरे को म्यूटिलेट किया गया, उनको इस तरह से बेरहमी से मारी गई, उसके बाद आपको पता है कि कश्मीर के नौजवानों ने क्या किया? कश्मीर के 3710 नौजवान और उनमें से 70 लड़कियां भी थी, लाइन में खड़े होकर उन्होंने बोला हम जम्मू और कश्मीर पुलिस ज्वाइन करेंगे. तो आप कौन होते हैं भाई साहब उनके लिए बोलने के लिए? वो है असली कश्मीरी, आप नहीं है. आप तो कंफ्यूज कश्मीरी है, आप कंफ्यूज कश्मीरी है, वो असली कश्मीरी है. आप इतने बेहद परेशान क्यों हो जाते हैं? आज मैं चाहता हूं कि कश्मीर के लोग इस प्रोग्राम को देखें. आज मैं चाहता हूं कि कश्मीर के लोग, मैं चाहता हूँ ललित अंबरनाथ.
No. If there is someone who says, I don't live in India, I respect his opinion, but don't kill my opinion.
Of course not.
Don't kill my opinion.
You have the Kashmir. That is some hypothetical genocide of Kashmiri Pandits. Some hypothetical genocide.
Yes, you need to understand that.
205 genocide.
मैं बोल
90,000 Muslims were butchered.
Accept that.
What about 90,000 Muslims butchered by Indian forces?
Forget about that.
Why should we forget?
Quran will be
Why should we forget that?
Give me, I give
Why
you
should we
right thing.
forget? Why
Every
should we
person
forget?
who takes AK-47 against India will be eliminated. Take it in writing from you.
See, you are not representing a military dictatorship.
And the
You are
process has begun.
You are not
Process has
representing
begun.
a military
Cleansing of
dictatorship.
jihadis is going to be
It has to be a democratic setup.
The debate is
ask
now-
Dr. Patra to declare that India is now a military, is under military dictatorship. That would be
I
better.
want
You
to
then you will have right to say so. You are under democracy. In this Indian democracy, you cannot even kill a militant. Let me tell you the constitution of India. You cannot say I will kill a militant. That is unconstitutional.
And you call him a leader?
You understand one thing?
What have you done to Kashmir? What have you done to Kashmir?
He is a stakeholder. Your Prime Minister has made compromise.
Please, Inam sir.
You have brutalized Kashmir. Kashmiri society today.
Why your whole parliament was begging people, Gilani Sahib,
They pleaded only because they wanted peace, not anymore.
That means he had the mandate of the people. That means he had the mandate of the people.
This is resurgent India you are talking about. You're not talking about me.
Yes, I want to answer you. I don't want to shout.
I have a humble request to you, sir.
Okay.
There have often been panelists from your side who say that
Listen to
militants
each other,
need to be
no? Now
killed,
listen to
stone
each-
pelters need to be dealt with, hum unko marenge. It is a democracy. In democracy, in Indian democracy, you cannot even say I'll kill a militant because there is a Supreme Court ruling which says ask militant to surrender. If he doesn't, then only you can kill him.
Can I ask you a
So
question?
you are
Majid,
talking unconstitutional language. Now come clear.
Now
If
listen to
we are
I'll
under a
come
military
clear. Now listen to
dictatorship,
Sambit. Listen
say
to
about that. Now
Okay,
one more thing I want to add.
One by one. One by one point करते हैं ना, वे भूल जाएंगे अपनी लाइन ऑफ क्वेश्चनिंग. और भाई साहब आप एक दूसरे से बात ना करें, दूसरों की बात.
पहले सवाल का जवाब
ये प्रॉब्लम है कि मुझे आज लग रहा है, एंड आई डोंट नो, लोग प्रोग्राम देख रहे हैं, अगर कश्मीर में लोग देख रहे हैं तो मैं उनसे कहना चाहूंगा कि आज के प्रोग्राम को देखिए, जो सवाल मैंने उठाए उनको सुने और फिर अपने आप को पूछिए कि आप इन गद्दार हुर्रियत वालों को कब तक टाइम देंगे. और असली कश्मीरी तो उठ पड़ा है भारत के साथ. असली कश्मीरी, मैं तो आपके ऊपर नहीं बोल रहा भाई साहब, मैं कह रहा हूं जो असली कश्मीरी है वो कश्मीरी नौजवान है जो आर्मी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं लेफ्टिनेंट उमर फयाज के मारे जाने के बाद. और असली कश्मीरी को आज पूछना पड़ेगा अपने आप से, जो पैसा लेके पत्थर फेंकते आप उनके साथ हैं या फिर आप वो नौजवान के साथ हैं जो जम्मू और कश्मीर पुलिस और भारतीय आर्मी ज्वाइन करने के लिए कतार में खड़े हुए हैं. और ये भी याद रखिए, आप बहुत कुछ बोल रहे हैं बाबर जी, याद रखिए कश्मीरी बहुत तरीके के होते हैं. मैं मुझे बोलने दीजिए. हजारों की संख्या में असली कश्मीरी बाहर आए थे जो जब जम्मू और कश्मीर के पुलिस कांस्टेबल अब्दुल करीम शेख की फ्यूनरल हुई थी. आप कौन होते हैं कहने वाले कि जो लोग बुरहान वानी या सब्जार भट्ट के फ्यूनरल के लिए आते हैं वो असली कश्मीरी हैं, और जो अब्दुल करीम शेख पुलिस कांस्टेबल के फ्यूनरल पे आते हैं वो असली कश्मीरी नहीं है. आप इन कश्मीरियों के बीच में आप एक डिवाइड कराने की कोशिश क्यों कर रहे हैं? आप समझ नहीं. Stop blaming the media. Stop blaming the media.
Mr. Goswami, I
have to answer you.
If there is any Kashmiri who wants to be part of India, I love him. I love him.
I'm not shouting.
I love him.
I'm not shouting at you. Calm down.
I respect him.
Calm down.
That is the beauty of sentiment.
My question is, gentlemen, listen to me for a while and understand. Kashmiris are changing. They rejected you. Now, why did they reject you? I don't know. Maybe they got fed up. Maybe they saw through you. And Inamun Nabi, you're the same person. मुझे हर एक मेरा प्रोग्राम याद है. 24 मई को आप मेरे प्रोग्राम पे आए थे, चैनल शुरू होने के 17 दिन बाद, और मैंने गौरव भाटिया ने आपको पूछा था, कैन यू से यूर अ प्राउड इंडियन? कुछ नहीं बोल पाए थे आप. यू वर म्यूट. आर यू प्रो पाकिस्तान? Do you think Pakistan is some benevolent friend of Kashmir? Let me tell you what Pakistan has done for Kashmir. Do I need to tell you? Pakistan is the country which pushed Abu Ismail into Indian soil and 7 Amarnath Yatris from Pakistan. Abu Ismail came from Pakistan.
How he reached to Kashmir?
How he reached to Kashmir? He was smuggled and infiltrated.
How he reached the Kashmir? How he reached the Kashmir? How he reached Kashmir?
What a ridiculous question.
How he
is he a Pakistan?
Why it is ridiculous?
You have
Is he a
friends.
Pakistan?
You have so much army there.
Is he a Pakistan?
Who?
Is Abu Ismail a Pakistan?
That was
Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? How he reached Anantnag? What are you telling us? Rubbish.
No, I don't. I'll just take 10 seconds and thereafter, sir.
This is indigenous movement.
Sambit will respond to you. I will only say one thing before. I will say one thing.
I agree with Hydri that we have to have one thing.
I will say one thing before you take off from there.
Yes.
I mentioned Abu Ismail. I say tonight with, I am saying with all my conviction today. You listen to me. I am saying. Why are you speaking over me?
कहीं साज़बाज़ तो नहीं है.
Why are you speaking over me?
मैं कह रहा हूँ कहीं साज़बाज़ तो नहीं है.
Don't speak over me.
वो किस तरह अंदर आया?
Listen to my question.
वो किस तरह अंदर आया? वो किस तरह अंदर आया?
यार फौजी है ना.
मैं कह रहा हूँ ये कह रहे पाकिस्तान का है. यहाँ श्रीनगर से दिल्ली आना मुश्किल है तो बंदा इस्लामाबाद से
सवाल है. मैं
कश्मीर
जायज सवाल है. मैं जवाब दे दूं. एक बड़े मजे हुए 37 साल के पुराने फौजी की तरह से. कोई बॉर्डर खासकर पहाड़ों जंगलों में ऐसा नहीं है जो हेरमेटिकली सील किया जा सकता है. 2003 से 2005 तक हमने बॉर्डर फेंसिंग करी. उसके बाद 70 से 80% फीसदी डिग्रेड हम कर पाए हैं इन्फिल्ट्रेशन में. उससे ज्यादा कोई बोले कि हो सकता है तो वो झूठ बोल रहा है. मैं आपको एक तजुर्बेकार फौजी की तरह से बता रहा हूं. हमने जो है बहुत कुछ.
आप क्या कह रहे हैं? फिर कौन
सुन लो ना यार.
टेरिटरी क्या सी?
आपने सवाल पूछा, मैं जवाब दे रहा हूँ भाई.
घर में गद्दार भी तो है ना, बुला लेते हैं ना वहां से.
चलिए
तो गद्दार आप आर्मी वालों को गद्दार कह रहे हैं? एक मिनट आप किनको गद्दार कह रहे हैं? जो एलओसी पर है क्या समित पात्रा जी? आप कह रहे उधर गद्दार है?
उधर नहीं.
आपने कहा उधर गद्दार है. आपने कहा उधर गद्दार है. आप अपने आर्मी वालों को गद्दार कह रहे हैं?
ना आपको गद्दार बोल रहा हूँ. आप लोग झाड़ी के नीचे से, नदिया के पीछे से लेके आते हैं ना पाकिस्तानियों को. आप है वो गद्दार. अब सुनिए,
गाइड का नाम
कह रहे हैं ना.
गद्दार जी,
लोकल गाइड का नाम सुना है. लोकल गाइड का नाम सुना है. हम भी वहां से खरीदते हैं, वो भी खरीदते हैं.
देखिए
गाइड का नाम सुना है. गाइड का नाम सुना गाइड कौन है? There are supporters who have helped. There are traitors. There are traitors.
आर्मी वाले गद्दार हैं.
Their souls for money. What Pakistan?
has confirmed on air that there has been paisa from both sides.
सच बोलने के लिए.
Can you just gentlemen?
I have not
taken
off
one
from
second.
there.
You see,
पात्रा जी मुबारक हो सच बोलने पर. ऐसे ही सच बोलते रहिए.
बैठिए.
आपके हाथ में
बैठिए. आपकी बात. बैठिए. आपको आजादी दूंगा डिबेट में अभी.
आज नहीं तो कल आपको निकलना ही है.
I would request the Kashmiri panelists, first of all, you decide if you're all speaking over each other. Don't do that, please.
No, you didn't utter a single word when he confessed.
My question was simple. As far as I am concerned, GD Bakshi, let me please come in. Please understand this. You see, one second. Majid, listen to me. Are you a Kashmiri who is going to stand up and say, Jive Pakistan? Would you say that?
I will first.
I will say Jive Pakistan. I will say Jive Hindustan. I will say everything. But please also say Jive Kashmiriyo.
अब मैं बोलता.
आप हमें क्यों?
अभी मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
मैं कहूँगा जिंदा रहेंगे.
I want to speak. Please allow me.
I would say you are responding in a light manner to a very serious issue.
This is a very serious issue. I'm going to answer.
An opportunity.
Please. See, I did not interject when you spoke. Allow me. You wanted to hear me?
Yes, sir. Now I'm talking.
Mr. Hydri, just let me. Mr. Hydri, Arnav was right when he said that he asked you a question. The leading question was, what is Azadi? And please don't interject. Three of you were confused. You said it is an idea. You said it is probably not independence, but it is an idea. You could not articulate what Azadi is. Let me go point by point. Why couldn't you or anyone else articulate what Azadi is? Because you knew that you were exposed. You had a tape recorder, you have a tape, in fact, which is out, of Zakir Musa, who said that we're not fighting for some Azadi business. We are fighting for Islam. Just a second. हमने पत्थर उठाया है, हमने पत्थर उठाया है क्योंकि हमें ISIS जैसे कैलिफेट चाहिए. आपने डेड बॉडीज को ISIS के फ्लैग से ढक के उनका जो है जनाजा निकाला. दूसरी बड़ी बात, आपने किसी ने कहा ऑक्यूपेशन रहित क्या चाहिए, आजादी चाहिए. मैं आपको बता रहा हूं, हिंदुस्तान से अगर पैसा नहीं जाएगा ना भैया, पाकिस्तान तो भिखमंगा देश है, हिंदुस्तान से पैसा नहीं जाएगा ना, प्लीज डोंट माइंड माय वर्ड्स. ना खाने को होगा, ना पीने को होगा, ना पैसा होगा. ये आजादी चिड़िया जो है ना, ये जो आजादी की चिड़िया है, फुर्र से उड़ जाएगी दिल से भैया.
One person. I have not come. One person. Okay. He's not yielding. Let him complete.
Because you never interjected. You are a very sensible soul. I respect you. Number one, don't take this lightly. Just speaking of an idea without knowing what the idea means is what these separatists have sold you over the time. These people who know very well what this mundane world means, they have settled their children, they have settled themselves, they have properties everywhere, they are leading a pervert life, they have multiple wives, multiple girlfriends, and from you, they want abstinence. From you, they want sacrifice. From you, they want that you should blow off your bodies because you will get 72 hoors after death. But they want to enjoy the 72 hoors in this life.
Can I ask a simple question? I have a very simple question which I'm intervening in. No, I'm intervening in the middle of this debate. Let me reply. I have a very relevant question in the context of this debate. I'll give you more than 10 seconds. I would like to know from you that this Burhanwanis and the groups like Burhanwani, they say that if a Kashmiri girl drives a two-wheeler, they have said, henceforth, this Pakistan-based group, they have said, first we will burn the scooter, then we will burn the girl. Just one minute. This is what the Burhanwani group is saying. That first we will burn the scooter, and if we see any Kashmiri girl on any scooty, then we will burn the girl.
Yes, there has been some kind of fiction on this front,
I'm asking a question. I'm asking a question to my esteemed panelists on the other side, and I'm genuinely requesting them that even if they are on the back foot, they should not speak over me, because I'm coming to a question which is very relevant, and I want to know whether you are prepared to make that choice. Please understand the depth of the question. आदमी सवाल ही नहीं पूछा है, सवाल पूछने के बाद
लीडिंग जर्नलिस्ट जाकिर मूसा के पीछे स्कूटे पे नहीं बैठी? क्या जाकिर मूसा ने उसको लिफ्ट नहीं दिया था? क्या ये मीडिया में नहीं आया था?
मैं कोई ऐसे लीडिंग जर्नलिस्ट के बारे में बात नहीं करना चाहता. ये कोई लीडिंग जर्नलिस्ट नहीं.
डॉक्टर पात्रा knows
Lalit, no, I request you at this point of time in the debate, I am requesting the panelists on all sides that you will have to listen to me. Now, I am requesting you, gentlemen, we are entering a very important part of the debate. I, at this part of the debate, will ask some very simple, essential questions. In my questions, there is a deeper point to be made. And my simple question today, viewers, I am asking this. The Azadi that is being spoken about is an Azadi, gentlemen, to my left, and I mean no harm. They say, in our Azadi, हमारी जो आज़ाद कश्मीर है, जो पाकिस्तान स्पॉन्सर करा रही है, उसमें हम पहले स्कूटर को जलाएंगे, फिर कश्मीरी लड़की को जलाएंगे. मैं जानना चाहता हूं क्या आपसे सहमत है?
That is a baseless fiction.
Mr. Sambit Patra knows where was that senior journalist from India?
Yes, it was an experience.
And on whose scooty she was?
Listen, please
let him have the cheeks to name that journalist.
Padra ji,
बात करें Padra ji.
Takfiris have arrived in Kashmir. They are going to decide who's a Muslim, and you will be on the line of fire. Remember it. Gilani, I suspect NIA taking Gilani and all these people, it may be a safe custody for them.
Let you try him in the court of law.
आपको दूसरा सवाल आज तो मैं चाहता हूँ, आज तो मैं चाहता हूँ, I can tell you,
he is man of masses. Said Gilani free. Said Gilani free. Ask him to offer Friday prayers at all.
Because
you will come to know who is Gilani.
You are going to be.
You will come to know who is Gilani.
I feel sorry. Viewers, nowhere in any state of India has there been such a centralization of money as it is among politicians and Hurriyat leaders in Kashmir. In no other state is the divide between the people and the Hurriyat and the political class so much.
Yes.
In no other state are there a group of people who made so much money. I have a second question for you gentlemen. And Inamun Nabi, I want you to answer me, but please answer with some thinking. And also understand, अगर आप कश्मीर में ये प्रोग्राम देख रहे हैं और अगर आपको हमेशा वाकई यही लगा है कि मेरी पोजीशन कश्मीरियों के खिलाफ है, तो मैं आज सवाल पूछ रहा हूं, आप मुझे बताइए कश्मीरियों के खिलाफ कौन है? हम हैं जो ये सवाल पूछते हैं कि गिलानी के घर में एक इतनी बड़ी एक घड़ी मिली, उनमें घड़ी में इतने बड़े बड़े डायमंड्स थे,
बाप रे,
इतने बड़े बड़े डायमंड्स थे कि हमारे जो एक्सपर्ट्स है वो कहते हैं
घड़ी कब पकड़ी गई थी?
अच्छा आपको बताएंगे,
चुप करके, तब से आप चुप करके
आपको मैं
रोज बताते हैं शाम को भैया,
आपको मैं समय भी बता दूंगा, एक मिनट रुकिए, समय भी बता दूंगा, दिन भी बता दूंगा, महीना भी बता दूंगा, साल भी बता दूंगा, बेचैन मत होइए।
अभी तो उनका खराब आ रहा है।
1.5 करोड़ रुपए की घड़ी, 1.5 करोड़ रुपए की घड़ी उस फ्रॉड गिलानी के घर पर मिली। डेट थी 15 मार्च 2017। अब मुझे बताइए कि क्या वो गिलानी, वो फ्रॉड, वो बेनकाब इंसान गिलानी, क्या वो कश्मीरियों के साथ है? क्या भारत के जो सरकार है वो कश्मीरियों के साथ है? आप जवाब दीजिए मुझे। Ladies and gentlemen, the Hurriyat is a paid agent of the Pakistanis.
Yes.
And therefore, way back in 2002, reported again in March 2017, Gilani got a diamond-studded watch worth 1.5 crore rupees. Who gave him that?
He's a leader, he can have
Who gave him that?
Oh my God.
People might have donated him.
I want him to answer. How did he get that watch? How did he get that watch?
What's wrong with that?
Did he get that watch?
Leader. Somebody has donated him. We are rich enough.
Lalit, don't interrupt now. Let them expose themselves. Tell me, घड़ी कहाँ से मिली? 1.5 करोड़ रुपए की।
वो आप कह रहे हैं ना, मैं कह रहा हूँ कौन सी बड़ी बात है?
एक मिनट, कश्मीर के लोग सुन रहे हैं।
मैं बताऊं?
कश्मीर के लोग आज सुन रहे हैं कि
इतने बड़े लीडर के पास
कहते हैं कि 1.5 करोड़ रुपए की घड़ी होना बड़ी बात है।
ये आप कीमत लगा रहे हैं ना? क्या पता 70,000
बहुत बड़ी अच्छी बात।
गिलानी साहब को क्यों अपील की कि हमें हेल्प करें पीस रिस्टोर करने में?
हार रहे हैं आप डिबेट, खुद अपने आप को आप
Arnab, I have a request. Being a journalist,
पानी निकलेगा।
क्या करने दीजिए,
I have a request. Kindly give me 30 seconds.
नमाज पढ़ने से क्या होगा? नहीं, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट। नहीं, नमाज पढ़ने देंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? आप रेडिकलाइजेशन कर देंगे।
Islam is flourishing.
आप कह रहे हैं ना यहाँ पर आजादी है।
That's the only place in the world where Islam flourishes. Don't raise that question here. Muslims are not persecuted in Kashmir. That's the only place.
Lalit, GD Bakshi and Majid are going to debate right now.
No, I have a request to Arnab.
No, don't make requests.
I have been saying this on your program exactly for the last 2 months. Are NIA raids to defame Hurriyat or to stop Hawala funding? Because for you, Arnab, let me complete. For you, it could be mere money transaction.
No.
For us, it is Shahidon ke khoon ki dalali.
It
is Shahidon ka khoon. Be it militants' blood, be it innocent Kashmiri's blood, it is Shahid ka khoon. For Kashmiri, it is Shahid ka khoon. I have been saying for the last 2 months, why is NIA not raiding those ministers and ruling politicians who are known, which is an open secret, that they have been famous Hawala dalals? Why is Arnab Goswami silent on this issue? I just want to know, is this because of that this is a BJP alliance? Why is so much of silence from iconic Arnab Goswami on this issue?
Now can I answer?
I want to make an observation and you will answer, sir. Because it's your turn to answer, not mine.
Yeah.
But I will make one observation. And I will only speak to the people of India and the people of Kashmir.
Why don't you discuss Palm House of Dubai?
Yes.
Are you going to tell me what to discuss? In my 22 years of journalism,
So
nobody has dictated.
No, why you are selective? That means you are biased.
Arnab, we
That
have
means you are biased.
There are expectations
Because you are losing the debate.
My
I'm
chance
biased.
to answer.
You want people of Kashmir to have
Majid Haidari made a
You
point.
want people of Kashmir to have expectations.
Let me
from your
answer.
channel.
Kashmir
Is your
conversation
channel
free. Discuss
anti-Kashmir
everywhere.
that Kashmiris can't have expectations from
Lalit
also will be exposed.
Can I, Arnab, just because I'm not raising my voice, doesn't mean I don't deserve to be heard.
GD Bakshi's turn to respond.
Very simple argument. Sir, are you not in favor that Kashmiris should have
Would you like me to
expectations
respond?
from
Would you-
Republic channel
Yes.
that you don't want to address their grievances?
Yes. May I
Look,
respond to you
may I-
with seriousness? Sir,
Yes.
10 seconds.
Because
and I'm
I have
passing
been
it on to you.
repeating this for the last 2 months and now people accuse me of saying, यार आप हर दफा क्यों बात करते हो? Politician है. Why doesn't Republic or some other serious channel,
If you want
especially
political
Republic,
answer,
expose this?
I have a point.
Let's expose this one for all. Let all the dalals be exposed.
I have a point to make, and since the question has been asked to me, I'll give you a simple response. Sir, I'm on the side of the right. And I feel there can be no greater evil than people who make money by linking up with Pakistan to kill Amarnath Yatris on the one side and make money through the Hajj pilgrimage on the other.
Who was arrested in the killing of Amarnath Yatris? It was you.
Abu
It was
Ismail.
no.
Abu
It was
Ismail.
it was SPO.
Abu Ismail.
It was police officer.
Abu
It
Ismail.
was MLC who was
Abu
involved.
Ismail.
MLA.
Abu
PDP
Ismail.
MLA was involved.
Abu Ismail.
MLA from ruling PDP.
Ruling class. Why you are saying
Can I answer?
Opening the debate on this side, last 10 minutes of the debate, GD Bakshi.
Can I
Voting is on,
Why is
viewers.
Arnab silent on the PDP connection of Hawala? It should
May
be
I-
clear. Let it be clear. I am a
It's a good
journalist.
question. It's a good question. Now can I ask him?
I want to respond.
Let me talk on the
respond. No. I want to respond to him. By the way, I'll tell you one thing. The debate is not between you and me. If you want it to be between you and me, I'll tell you the following
It's
thing.
about institution and people.
So I'm about
talking
to
sentiment of people with
I'm
an institution
about
called
to
Republic.
I'm about to tell you something. I believe that I'm more on the side of the Kashmiri people than you. Reason is this. I was the person who said that Mehbooba Mufti flew down to Delhi and made a plea with folded hands on the day of the NIA raid, 3rd of June 2017. And I will not take the name of the businessman. She said, don't put out the name of this businessman. His family has helped me in the past. And then later she flew down again, and this time again with folded hands. She took the name of another businessman and a fellow called Fantoush, and she told the NIA, spare these people, these are my people. The NIA did its job and said, no, they are linked with terrorists, we don't care. She responded by throwing a tantrum. She did not attend the swearing-in ceremony of the President of India. When she went back, she started making controversial statements on Article 35A, and she suddenly started saying, open the borders, taking an anti-center position. I have said that Mehbooba Mufti is the greatest political opportunist that the people of Kashmir have seen.
So is
I have
BJP.
called her
So is
openly for
BJP.
Pakistan.
So is
And I have said to the BJP as well, I have said to the BJP as well, and I will say it unequivocally on the program, that one day, Sambit, you will realize the grievous mistake you are making of linking up with Mehbooba Mufti. She will betray you and she will betray the country. But now General Bakshi has to respond to the debate. You are moving away from the debate.
Can I just otherwise, see, I'm a political spokesperson. I should answer the political question also.
Listen to
Mr. Goswami and the panelists from Kashmir, you talk about PDP. See, I'll be very general and I'll be truthful. PDP and Bharatiya Janata Party are poles apart, North Pole and the South Pole as far as the ideology is concerned. But yet we came together with a common minimum program. Why? 28 seats, 25 seats, what Mr. Jaitley rightly calls... what Mr. Jaitley rightly calls inflicted mandate. Kashmir people voted in a way, there was no other option. Otherwise, you call it off democracy, or you come and give governance with the minimum criteria, whatever you have formed. Over here, let me tell you, I have heard the PDP, I have heard the National Conference. Let me be very frank over here, Mr. Goswami. You told me I have to speak my heart.
Your heart today.
What I have seen is there is a constituency which most of the Kashmiri politicians try to address. And I'm not mincing my words. This constituency is again radical Islam. They feel that Wahhabism has to be addressed. I'm sorry. You are just a second. And you want that the BJP should run away from the coalition, should not be politically active there, because either it is PDP or NC. The ideology would be same. So BJP should run away? No. रण क्षेत्र में रहेंगे, दुंदुभिनाद बजाएंगे, आतंकवादियों को खत्म करेंगे. अगर रण क्षेत्र छोड़ देंगे तो लड़ेंगे कैसे?
second.
Not, you don't care for your nation.
want to
You don't care for the nation. You want to compromise national interest.
Now can I answer?
नेशनल इंटरेस्ट कहाँ है?
रण क्षेत्र में रहेंगे, आतंकवादी मारेंगे। रण क्षेत्र छोड़ के आप चाहेंगे हम तो रहे ही नहीं।
एक मिनट, excuse me.
You had a bad day today.
No.
General
Can I say my piece?
Yes.
In fairness to Arnab, I also heard, because a very specific accusation was made that he is being partial. I have heard him 10 times on this channel say that if Mehbooba Mufti obstructs the execution of justice by the NIA, we should impose governor's rule, we should dismiss. We should remove her there and then. So I think in fairness to Arnab,
no, because he is accusing twice she came here.
Let me say this. I have great personal regards for Mufti Muhammad Sheikh. Personal regards.
Absolutely.
But viewers will remember that when he was sworn in as the Chief Minister, despite my personal regards for him, I said on the press conference when he thanked Pakistan, I said he's a pro-Pakistan.
Hurriyat as well.
My position, at least unlike you, Mr. Lawyer, at least I don't suffer from the disease called inconsistency. I've been consistent with my points, unlike you. Now, Mr. Lawyer, don't blame
I'm not inconsistent.
Now can I just finish?
I'm consistent with my point that
आप एक समझ लीजिए सैयद बाबर साहब, आज मैं कह रहा हूं लिखित रूप से ले लीजिए, मैं कश्मीर के लोगों को कह रहा हूं, आज today your narrative suits them, today you're being used by them. आपको जब यूज एंड थ्रो पॉलिसी होगी, जब आपकी यूज चली जाएगी, they will wipe you out without a thought. They will treat you worse than they treated the people of Bangladesh. Remember that. They have no loyalties but to anybody but to the rulers of Rawalpindi. You have no right to make the Kashmiri people the servants of the generals of Rawalpindi.
No,
you
I
are
have
cheating
no
the people of
I
Kashmir.
have no right.
Apologize to
true
them.
to that extent.
Apologize to them.
No.
Apologize.
No. But you don't ask people what they want. You want to impose your ideology and jingoistic nationalism, nothing else.
Okay. One second.
Operation you have done rape.
1 second.
It's 4 minutes on the
Imam, I haven't.
Inam.
I wasn't allowed to finish my point. When we heard you speaking, the three of us, on the concept of Azadi, forgive me for saying so, we noted that there was ambiguity. Let me
interpretation to karne de aap, please. It's been an open.
Understand. What I'm trying to say is, Kashmir has 3 components, we all know. Jammu, people are mostly Hindu. You ask me whether they want to join Pakistan, I will tell you over my dead body, right? Ask the people of Ladakh who are Buddhist, do they want to join?
No, 50%. Muslim 50%.
Let me finish. Let me finish. Can I just
Babar, I'm out of control.
You have not been able to spread your tentacles in Jammu and Ladakh because Muslims of Jammu are not with you. Muslims of Ladakh are not with you.
I will have all the time thereafter.
Closing comment आपको दूंगा.
You are a limited.
I would love
closing the debate.
I have asked this question because I want to understand.
Just 5 seconds.
I will just finish. आप उसके बाद I'd love to listen.
ठीक है सर.
Okay. देखो मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ, how does the Azadi thing work out, right? If the Shias of Ladakh don't want to join Pakistan,
how can you constitute?
Kargil, अरे यार सुन लो यार, मैंने बहुत वहाँ सर में मुझे खत्म कर लेने दो ना. The Buddhists of Ladakh don't want to go. What is left? 80 by 80 square kilometers of the valley. Very dense population. Agreed. Will that make a nation state?
Sir, should I reply now?
80 by 80 kilometers. यार मैं दिल से पूछ रहा हूँ. Viable nation state.
Sir, let me reply.
In which can I add one line?
I am the stakeholder.
In which I'll tell you.
What about Veer
Shias of Kashmir?
What about Veer Panchayat?
अरे भाई आपको मैं पूछ रहा हूँ.
They are living in fear. They are living in fear because Kashmiri have arrived. Shias, they talk. Yes, Shias of Kashmir are scared of you. They fear assault. They say,
I represent the Indians of Kashmir.
I'm a secular person, but when you
I represent the Indians of Kashmir.
Listen to him. Listen to him. Baba, listen to him. Baba, listen to him.
I represent the Indians of Kashmir.
Yes.
We are all Indians.
Baba, listen to him.
we are not.
One second, Baba. No, listen to General. General Bakshi,
have you concluded? Should I start now?
He's taking
5 seconds.
As a Jammuite,
Listen to him.
No, this is not.
I represent the Indians of Kashmir, not the Shias, not the Sunnis, not the Hindus, not the Sikhs.
They are the
Indians of Kashmir.
Muslims. Shias are Muslims.
I thank you all, gentlemen. I thank you all. Closing comments. First from this side, because they came second on the opening debate. 30 seconds to this side. This is the time for you to put in your polls. This is the time for you to vote. Vote, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, vote on which side has won today. We've had a hearty debate. People have asked me questions. Nothing has been spared. But let me say this, that there is no clarity on the whole idea of Azadi. So the next time you hear people like Arundhati Roy write about it, she knows nothing. Neither do they know. The real people of Kashmir are waiting there to be heard. Now, 30 seconds on both sides, closing remarks. Who's winning the debate, viewers? Choice is in your hands, not mine. It's on your phones, on Republic World. 30 seconds.
Azadi is the fast.
30 seconds.
Just a second.
30 seconds. 30 seconds. Last closing comment. 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Number one, something very interesting happened right now, and probably most of us missed it. I observed it. When General Bakshi, in fact, stated about the composition of population, he was stating about the Hindus of Jammu, he stated about the Buddhists of Ladakh. He said mostly it is a Buddhist population. Suddenly they sprang up and said, no, it is 50%, 50%. That means the demography is of core importance as far as your so-called Azadi is concerned. Please, let me just conclude by saying few things. Number one, there is no place for radical Islam. Islam is okay. We all respect
but
Islam.
Not radicalized Hindu also.
This is not the way.
Then your closing comments.
Exactly.
Finish.
No
Sambit.
place for radical
Finish
Islam.
Fast.
And number two.
No place for radical Hinduism also.
You talk about Kashmir.
Sir, this is not the way. Sir, this is not the way. Sir, this is not the way. 30 seconds.
No, this is not the way.
We are going to speak and you are going to speak. This is not the way.
5,
Just a second.
4,
Number one.
3,
You wanted
2.
You wanted political.
Time up.
You wanted
time up.
Just a second.
Time
You wanted
up.
political solution.
Time up, sir.
Today, take this and go home.
Time up.
Azadi and independence is not an idea. You cannot succeed from India. This is no political situation. This is no political solution.
Thank you, Sambit Patra. On this side, who's closing?
That is
Who's closing on this side? Majid is closing. Majid. Close.
Solution
First,
to
tell the
Kashmir,
viewers why they
freedom.
should vote for you.
Solution to Kashmir and freedom is our birthright. Nobody can deny us.
don't
You can fight us. You can't deny us. Point number two. General Bakshi said we were ambiguous about the concept of Azadi. Show me one Prime Minister who has said what Kashmir problem is. No Prime Minister till now of India has dared to say what Kashmir problem is and what Kashmir solution should be. No government has been possible to say what should be the solution and what is the Kashmir problem. आप सिर्फ बात करते हो कश्मीर की, and let me tell you, it is the same BJP. Their agenda is exposed. Who want to divide Jammu and Kashmir into Jammu and Kashmir states and Ladakh as union territory, and that has been exposed by General Bakshi and Dr. Sattar today. That they want the division of Jammu and Kashmir. Let the nation know. BJP wants division of India. You are not. This is my turn. You are taking my shit. This is my turn. You are nobody to talk. You are talking on my turn. Let the people know that BJP wants division of Kashmir as Jammu, Kashmir as separate states and Ladakh as separate union territory. And I have already written an opinion piece on this, and that was today exposed by what General Bakshi said and what Dr. Patra said. And let me conclude saying half of the Jammu is Muslim population, and that will go with Kashmir. आपके पास दो डिस्ट्रिक्ट से ज्यादा कुछ नहीं मिलेगा.
Viewers, we have had an open debate. We've had an open debate. It's an unedited debate. We've seen a free and fair exchange of views. We've seen challenges. I've made a disclosure. And now I want to know, viewers, where you stand. You watch my debates very often. I want, at the end of this Sunday, to get a sense of which side you're on. It's not about winning or losing. It's about knowing where you stand. Viewers across India and across Kashmir, vote now. And I will see you next Sunday on yet another edition of the Sunday Debate. Only for this evening. See you tomorrow. Good night and goodbye.